friends, welcome to Daisy Chain Crochet. I'm so glad that you're here. Please take a seat and let's get started. So welcome back to my series for beginners. I teach you to do the basics in crochet. For today's video, I will show you how to make a treble crochet. Now, if you've mastered the double crochet, this has got one extra step and you will be able to do a treble crochet. If you're unfamiliar with any of these terms, please go back to my previous videos where I show you how to make a chain stitch, a single crochet, and a double crochet. You'll need a 5mm hook or any hook really that you have on hand. It doesn't have to be 5mm, whatever you have lying around, and some yarn. Today I'll be using 4-ply yarn from Loop and Thread. This is 100% acrylic. I like it because it glides over the needle quite easily, and it doesn't come apart. It doesn't unwind itself, making it beginner friendly, and it's easy for you to see your stitches, to see what you've been doing. All right, so let's get going. We'll start with putting a slip knot on our hook. Again, if this is unfamiliar to you, please go to my previous videos where I show you how to make a slip knot, how to hold your yarn, and how to do all these stitches I'll be talking about. All right, let's start by chaining 13 today. 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So what we'll do is we're going to skip 3 here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. We're going to skip these and work into the 4th V, into the 4th stitch on your chain stitch that you just made. So we'll work in here. This will count as the spine of your project, and you'll see why now. So like with a double crochet, we yarned over once. With a treble crochet, you will yarn over 2 times before you put your needle through the V. So we'll start again. You're going to yarn over once, yarn over 2 times. You're going to go into the top of the chain stitch. You're going to yarn over again and pull through until you have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook. You will yarn over again and you will pull through 2 loops until you have 3. You'll see there's 3 remaining. You'll yarn over again and go through 2 more until you have 2 left, and you'll yarn over for a 3rd time and go through the remaining 2, just like so. Can you see now this acts as the side of your project? It acts as a treble crochet. Okay, we're going to do it again. We'll skip 1 stitch, we'll go into the next one. You're going to yarn over once, you're going to yarn over twice. You're going to stick your needle through the top of the V. Sometimes it happens, it gets tricky. You're going to yarn over once and you're going to pull through. And you'll see you have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook. You'll yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over again, pull through 2 more, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. All right, can you see how you've made this is a treble crochet? This is a treble crochet. Let's skip 1 stitch and try again. Yarn over into the, oh, here I made a mistake. You're going to yarn over twice. Yarn over once, yarn over twice, go through the top of the stitch, yarn over and pull through until you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over through 2, then you have 3 left, yarn over, pull through 2 until you have 1 left, 2 left, sorry, yarn over until you have 1 left. And just like that, you have made a treble crochet. All right, so keep practicing. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Let's keep going all the way to the end. Skip 1, yarn over once, yarn over twice, go through the top of the V, yarn over, pull through, 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, and again yarn over once and twice. Skip one stitch, go into the next one. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, through 2, yarn over, through 2, yarn over, through 2, like that. There you go, my friends. You have mastered the treble crochet. Now, like I said, it's easy. Just go back, keep practicing. If you want to redo it, start over again. No need to cut the yarn. You can just pull it apart and start over and keep practicing. All right, friends, this is the end of a treble crochet. I'm so proud of you. I bet you're doing way better than you think you are. Remember to like and subscribe and send this to your friends. It's better if you learn in a community, so grab a friend, sit together, have some tea, and practice these stitches together. I'm excited to see your progress. Remember to comment in the bottom if you have any problems. I'm happy to help you. Send me a picture if you want, so I can see what you're doing and see how I can help you. All right, friends, until next time, happy crocheting. I'll see you back in the next video. Bye-bye.